So guys, when I first bought this shampoo brush, I thought it was useless and a waste of money. But when I started to use it, and my oh my, it worked like charm. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 7 advantages of using a shampoo brush. So if you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel. And let's get the video started. So let's move on to the first major advantage. And the first major advantage is it improves your blood circulation and drains out all the toxins and increases oxygen to produce and stimulate healthy hair growth. Now how good is that? Amazing, right? So let's move on to the second advantage. And the second advantage is it deep cleans your hair, guys, by removing the excess oil, dirt and product buildup with ease. And with that, let's move on to the third advantage. And the third advantage is you guys will experience pure bliss of a relaxing scalp massage, which can turn your shower into a spa-like treatment. Now, who will not want that? So let's move on to the fourth advantage. Now, this shampoo brush ensures that your hair products like shampoo, conditioner, which you use on the daily basis, are evenly distributed around your hair, leading to improved results and less product waste. And with that, let's move on to the fifth advantage. And the fifth advantage is a very good advantage. It helps removing all the dead skin cells along with dandruff and itchiness. I know many of you guys have an itchy scalp, and when you're having a shower, you use your nail to dig into your scalp, which creates scratches and wounds into your scalp. So now you can avoid that by using this shampoo brush and improve your overall scalp health. So with that, let's move on to the sixth advantage. And the sixth advantage is it is suitable for all hair types. If you're having straight hair, textured hair or curly hair, it doesn't matter because it is going to work for all hair types. So you don't have to worry about your hair type. And the seventh advantage is it is very easy to use, guys. It is very easy to use. So join me as I show you how to use this medical silicone based shampoo brush, which is made of non-toxic material which will not irritate your skin. So the first thing that you'll have to do is wet your hair nicely, let them get fully wet, and once they are fully wet, take some amount of shampoo on your shampoo brush, as you can see here. Then wet the shampoo brush with a little amount of water and start massaging your scalp. As you massage, your shampoo will get evenly distributed around your scalp. It will increase your blood circulation, drain out the toxins and increase oxygen to produce healthy hair growth. It will deep clean your scalp by removing excess oil, dirt and product buildup with ease. And do experience the relaxing scalp massage. It will also help to remove the dead skin cells, dandruff and itchiness and improve the overall scalp health. So once you are done massaging, now you can rinse your hair properly and you are done. It's that easy to use. Now this shampoo brush also have 3 advantages. It does not slip when you put it in your hands. As you can see, it makes it easier to hold with one hand, as you have noticed that. And what's more, it is very light and easy to use. So if you like to have this shampoo brush, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out by yourself. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.